G'day everyone, my name is Alfie Rhoda, lawyer and registered migration agent of AR Migration Law and Visa Avenue. In this video, I will talk about the benefits of living permanently in Australia. Australia is a developed country and one of the wealthiest in the world. Australia is a lucky country and the land of opportunity for all. With its strong economy, this country has attracted hundreds of thousands of migrants over the past few years, and continues to do so today. This is an English-speaking country with infinitely beautiful weather. The Australian government encourages skilled workers from overseas to come and settle in Australia. Australian universities are open to all the international students. Australia has a strong economy for the skilled people who wish to migrate to Australia. It is a promised land to millions of potential immigrants that offers a great quality of life with several lifelong benefits. There's great job opportunities and higher pay for occupations listed on the skilled occupations list. No matter whether you're a doctor or nurse, teacher, engineer, or trade worker, such as a chef, cook, plumber, welder, or electrician. Australia is a family-friendly environment with great opportunities for children, quality education, and lots of sporting and art-based activities. This country is a diverse and multicultural quality of life which cannot be compared to other countries. If you are considering migrating to Australia, please continue watching. Either under the following: skilled migration, subclass 189, 190, or 491, employer nomination scheme, subclass 186, direct entry or temporary resident transition stream, business innovation and investment, subclass 888, business global talent, subclass 132, or family migration through child visa, partner visa, parent visa, carer visa, or last remaining relative. There are many benefits and/or rights of holding a permanent visa in Australia. Once you have a permanent visa, you have the right to live in Australia indefinitely. This will allow you to travel in and out of Australia. If you're granted a permanent visa, you will notice you have 5 years travel facility. Do not be confused with the 5 years travel facility with remain in the country indefinitely. If your travel facility of 5 years expires, you can remain in the country indefinitely but can't travel outside of Australia. If you wish to travel, you are required to apply and get approval for the resident return visa. Otherwise, if you leave without RRV, subclass 155, you will be unable to return in Australia. Living in Australia on a permanent visa, you are eligible to access Medicare, which covers all the possible aspects of healthcare. Aspects such as doctors coming to your house when you're too sick to go out, and access to Australia's great reciprocal health arrangement with other countries like the United Kingdom. Unlimited work rights is an important aspect of living in Australia holding a permanent visa. You can work for any employer in any occupation. Once you're an Australian citizen, you will be able to work in the public service or armed forces. After living in Australia for at least 4 years, of which 1 year is permanent visa, you will be eligible to apply for Australian citizenship. To live in Australia permanently, you are also entitled to access Centrelink, run by the Australian government through the Department of Human Services. You also have the freedom to pursue higher education as most universities extend loans known as fee help. This loan is extremely helpful in fulfilling your dream to upskill your education. If you are an Australian citizen, or permanent resident, or eligible New Zealand citizen, you can sponsor your partner, relatives, or even overseas workers if you have a business in Australia. For the purchase of your first home, you will be entitled to a first home buyer grant to build and own a home in Australia. Finally, you will also be able to apply for divorce if you intend to live in Australia permanently. Some people are not lucky enough to live in Australia and have no option but to leave. Some of the reasons to leave Australia are as follows: no sponsoring employer under the Employer Nomination Scheme, insufficient points for skilled migration, which means that the applicant is unable to satisfy the points required to be invited, not eligible for state or territory government nomination. This could be the same reason as insufficient points, or unable to satisfy the state government requirements. No sponsoring partner for partner visa due to relationship breakdown, ineligible family members or ineligible visa applicants, or the merit review application from the Administrative Appeals Tribunal, AAT, or ministerial intervention request and judicial review application from the Federal Court affirming the decision of the Department of Home Affairs. Here, the proceedings were exhausted and there were no more visa options. The mentioned reasons to leave mean you will lose your chance to live in Australia. But this is not the end of the world. You can still return to Australia by finding a way to do the following: find a new employer, enhance your skills, improve your points, work on experience or English language ability requirements, or find a new partner. If you are required to leave Australia, please do the following before leaving: organise selling your house, apply for superannuation withdrawal, sell your significant items such as your car, your boat, your furniture, or appliances, sort out your bank accounts, and transfer money overseas. However, can you return after leaving Australia? As I have mentioned previously, once you have left Australia, do not stop your dream to come back. Continue to work out your options in returning to Australia by finding a new eligible sponsor and nominator for Employer Nomination Scheme, increase your points for skilled migration, find a new sponsoring partner, your relationship must be genuine and continuing, or maybe this time your relative is eligible to sponsor you either on a carer visa or last remaining relative. I really hope you have learned something from this video. If you require further assistance and information, please do not hesitate to contact us on our details shown on this page. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.